Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix unhandled exception in Epic Games. On your personal computer, you could just tap on that Windows icon or open that search box and then search for command prompt. Once you see it, you have to run it as administrator. Wait for it to load and you will now see this black window. You have to type SFC space scan now, then press enter. After pressing the enter button, you have to wait for the scan to be complete. If it still doesn't work, you can go for troubleshoot. Once again, open your search box and search for troubleshoot settings and open it. Click on other troubleshooters. Among the options that will be presented to you, you have to tap on Windows Update and click on Run. Your Windows or your personal computer will be trying to detect some problems and will fix it for you. Just wait for it to finish and you're good to go.